name's Tim Bracey. I'm one of the volunteers here at the RAF Museum in London. I'm in Hangar 1 inside the large Sunderland flying boat. I'm at the front of the aircraft and I'm sitting here explaining to you the work that we did a couple of months ago to clean the aircraft, ready for the public to come through and view the interior. During the work that was undertaken last year for the centenary of the RAF, the aircraft got quite dusty, and so staff and volunteers spent some time inside the fuselage in very hot and cramped conditions, cleaning the interior. I used a vacuum cleaner, a backpack vacuum cleaner, used a duster, here particularly on the machine guns, and because of all the dust flying around, we had heavy-duty dust masks and lighter dust masks, depending what was required. So once the aircraft had been cleaned, it was then ready for the team to install more equipment and open to the public a couple of months ago. Up here in the front of the Sunderland, next to these machine guns, was a great privilege because the crew would have used these guns here during World War II, in 1944 in particular, to defend themselves against German aircraft and also during their attacks on German U-boats. So the exhibition is now open for the public to walk through, and to aid that, as part of the RAF story, there's a commentary running. The commentary was recorded by the daughter of a Sunderland crewman in World War II, and it tells you all about the different parts of the Sunderland, where the crew were sitting, what they were doing. And there's also the noise of the engines rumbling around in the background. So do come along to the museum, come to Hangar 1, come inside the Sunderland and see what things were like back 75 years ago when this aircraft was in action. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.